Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about a $10,000 business grant opportunity that will be closing within less than a week. So make sure that you watch this entire video from start to finish so that you get all the information before you go ahead and apply for this particular grant. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, we have released our new program that is going to help you win a business grant. We teach you how to do your grant proposals. We give you a free grant proposal template, also videos on how to find new grants, and then we also give you 80 plus business grant opportunities. This is current business grant opportunities, not expired business grant opportunities. Current at the time of this video. In February, we have opportunities that are available starting in February and ongoing. So over 80 business grant opportunities available now, and then we teach you how to find your own government grant opportunities and so much more. So make sure that you check this out. Link will be down in the description box below. Price will be rising very soon, so go ahead and take advantage of this opportunity. All right, now, so the business grant that we're going to talk about in this video today is the Fast Break for Small Business grant opportunity provided by Action Opportunity Fund as well as LegalZoom. Now, I've talked about this particular grant before. We're going to talk about it again because they have multiple rounds throughout the year, and they have another round open right now that is closing pretty soon on February 17th. 2023 at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, this particular grant is also brought to you by the NBA, the WNBA, and the NBA G League. And this is to support Black small business owners. They have a total of $6 million, or they had a total of $6 million. They have given away some of these grants in previous rounds. So this is how it works. LegalZoom, the WNBA, the NBA, the NBA G League are committed to encouraging entrepreneurship by supporting and investing in Black business owners. Tipping off at the start of Black History Month, the third of 6 grant cycles will open in this multi-year program. Here's how it will work. So $10,000 grant and free LegalZoom products of their choosing given to 50 small businesses, and then a free LegalZoom product of their choosing will be valued up to $500, and it'll be given 1,950 additional businesses. Applications will be open from February 1st, 8 a.m. Eastern until February 17th at 8 p.m. Eastern time. So the requirements are that you be a Black-owned business in the United States, to have your business set up for at least 6 months since August 1st, 2022, and it has to be currently in operation. You need to either have an LLC, S Corp, C Corp, or have a sole proprietor formation, a fictitious name statement, or a DBA, or an EIN registration, city, state, or federal license to do business, or relevant professional license. If the business is between 6 and 12 months old but does not have any of these documents, the business is not eligible for this opportunity. You need to also have less than $1 million in annual revenue and have a business bank account. Also, you cannot be on the prohibited industry list for this program. So if I scroll down, it's going to tell us the prohibited industry list. It's right here. It's pretty much the obvious types of restricted industries like adult entertainment, tobacco, firearm, cannabis-based businesses, massage parlors, illegal activities, of course, gambling, real estate investment companies like house flippers or hotel businesses, banking and financial institutions, merchant companies, merchant service companies, lending businesses like payday loans or payday lenders, title lenders, or credit granting companies, small business loan brokers, check cashers, bail bonds, pawn shops, collection companies. We don't like them anyway. Also, MLM, marketing companies, nonprofit organizations, religious organizations, activities of political organization, transportation, oil and gas, and rideshare. Also, for this particular grant, you will need to actually provide your most recent business tax return. So most of you all will have at least a 1040 Schedule C. You have to show the Schedule C, which is going to be the profit and loss section. If you do not have any tax returns, you will have to upload one of the following. You need to upload either your articles of incorporation, your sole proprietor formation, your DBA document, your EIN document, or any other business licenses. And then also an ID and a business bank statement. So you have to have this because they're going to be able to automatically send you that money if you are one of the people or one of the businesses that they select. So that is a must. You have to have a business bank account. So that's pretty much all you need in order to apply. So you're gonna apply by scrolling up and hitting this apply now button. It's gonna take you to a submittable application where it reiterates the requirement, and then you'll create an account for your business, and then fill out the application, upload your doc, and you'll be good to go. They'll let you know the next step. So if you enjoyed this video, if you found this video valuable, make sure that you like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications when I release videos. And also comment down below if you've ever won a business grant for your business. Comment down below. I have received a business grant for my business. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.